so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the montage, and yeah, you know, that sort of, yeah. But anyway, most people don't believe that was my actual voice, which is why I keep doing these stupid voiceovers. But anyway, just subscribe. Yeah.